Well, hello everyone, Kermit the Frog here. It looks like my friend Miss Baron had been on some market. You know, a market outside where you can buy lots of cool things. Wow, this is so awesome. Now let's open these things up and see what she have got. Wow, isn't this amazing, you guys? Oh, I can't wait to open all this stuff up. Now, do you see that thing we have right in front of us? That's a lot of jewels, isn't it? Maybe we should start with that. What do you think? Well, let's do that. Wow, this looks so cool. Just look at it. Wow. It's a big necklace and you have some rings and a bracelet. Alright, let's start open this thing up. Wow, this is so cool. Wow. Would you love going on markets? I think it's pretty fun. It's pretty nice to shop things on the internet, but it's of course so much nice to be outside. You see that? And here has a beautiful bracelet, and you have lots of other cool stuffs. Let's see if we can get them out there. Wow. Wow, look here, we have some. Okay, we have some beautiful gloves here. I don't think I can wear those, but Miss Baron sure can. Alright, let's see if we can get all this plastic out. I'm gonna be quick because I'm not gonna bore you out. I don't want to waste time. Alright, we're almost done. Alright, come on, get out there now. Wow, do you see how big this necklace is? Oh, wow. Oh my god, I love it. I love unboxing things. Wow. Alright, and here we have the rings. Yeah, now we're almost done with unboxing the first thing. And just two more stuffs here. And this one, and there we go. Alright guys, sorry if it took some time, but alright you guys, here we have those super beautiful jewelries. Wow, look here, we have some earrings here. Wow, you see that heart? Wow, and here is a ring with a heart. Wow, and here we had this super cool bracelet, and here's a ring with a blue little stone in it. Wow, I really love that one. And here we have a red little ring. Do you know, I think I know why Miss Baron wanted to buy this. I think it's because she wants to look like Dracula from the movie Hotel Transylvania, because he wears a red ring. Do you like that movie? I think it's very great. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. And what do we have here? And here we have the big necklace. I'm gonna try this on. Whoa. So what do you think? I know, maybe I look a little bit silly in it. I think it's gonna fit Miss Baron so much better. Alright, now let's move on. That was the first thing that she got. Alright. And now we're gonna see what more we have here. We have some stuff in this bag. Wow, what could it be here? Let's see. What could it be? Oh, look. You see, and it's a diary with Mickey Mouse. Wow, isn't that great? So she can write all kinds of stuff in it. Look, that's great. Wow. Oh no, I think a stone got off from one of the viewers, but we put it back there later. Alright. Now the next thing is gonna be a little purse, a little mini purse with Tinkerbell. Wow, look at it. You see, it's a picture of Tinkerbell, and look, it's purple and all shiny. Wow, that's super duper cute, isn't it? Tinkerbell is a very beautiful little fairy. Maybe I can meet her in my swamp sometime. Maybe she can come flying and visit. Alright, what more do we have? Ooh, look, it's a little The Simpsons figure. And it's Bart. It's a little The Simpsons Squeezies figure. That means that he is soft. He's so soft. Feel a little squishy or squashy. Look at him. He's so soft and so beautiful. He looks exactly like in the TV show. Wow, and so he doesn't talk or anything like that. He's just very, very squeezy. That's so awesome. Let's put him right there. And what more do we got here? Let's see. What's this? Oh, it's some other cool jewelries, and this is some bracelets. This is a silver bracelet. Oops, it's a silvery bracelet. Wow, it's so beautiful. Look at it. I think I know someone who would really like that. Megamind. Miss Baron really loves Megamind. Do you like that movie? I think it's super awesome too. And here we have, wow, you see that? It's not a bracelet, and it has some yellow roses on it. Can you see that? Wow, it looks like little yellow pearl roses. That's so cute. And now for the very last thing, we have a surprise package. That means that we have no idea what it could be in this one. Wow, what could it be? Let's open it up. Oh, hey, Miss Baron, is that you? Yeah, and I want to be here and open it together with you. Oh, well, of course you can. And I want to be here too and open it. Alright, Megamind 2 wants to open it. Alright, I hope you didn't mind that I opened the other things for you. Of course not, but that's okay. But I want to open, but we're gonna open up this thing together. Hi everyone. Alright, we do it on 3. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Yay! What could it be? What could it be? I'm so excited to see. There's a little box. What could it be in this one? Let's open it up and see. Wow, look here guys. What is it? What could it be? Wow, there we got it. Oh, look. It's it's a little, it's another necklace with some colorful pearls. That's cute. And here we have a super awesome little bracelet. Wow, look at these little pearls on it. That's cool. Well, alright, you guys. Now we've opened up all of these stuffs. Yeah, you surely have. I see that you have that Kermit. And so, yeah. So now I guess it's up to you guys, right? Yes, it is. And maybe Mickey Mouse wants to take over here. Yes, I can. So it's up to you guys there to tell Miss Baron and me and Kermit which thing do you like the most? Do you like the diary? Yeah, or did you like the Simpsons Bob figure? Or did you like the Tinkerbell purse? Or maybe all these super fun jewelries? Maybe the weird little wing, or maybe these bracelets, or these things. I really love the bracelets with roses, but tell me which thing did you like the best. Don't forget to like and subscribe and have a super awesome day. Bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.